Step 1. Grab your phone and go on to the Google Play Store. And step number 2. Download this app for free. And step 3, boom, you just earn $600. No selling, no video, no referral, no website, and no difficult setup. This is extremely fast and easy. The entire process from start to finish will only take you about 3 to 5 minutes. And it doesn't matter what country you're coming from, whether it is US, UK, Australia, Canada, Philippines, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any countries in the world. If you have a mobile phone and you can start making $600 starting today. But here's the warning, there are a few deadly mistakes that most beginners did, and eventually they fail to make any money, or even worse, they fail to withdraw their earnings. And I'll show you exactly how to avoid them, plus I'll give you a few very special tips to double your earnings. So by doing that, you can make more money compared to other people who didn't watch the full video. And let's just say if you make $100, you can turn it into $200, literally double your money. So now the first app that you can make money online today, which is Fob. Now Fob basically is an app where it consists of a huge library of millions of different high quality and high resolution photos. And there are basically two groups of people on the Fob app. Number one, there are people who are looking to buy different photos. And every single day, there are hundreds and thousands of people, they're gonna shopping around on Fob and looking for different photos to purchase. And the second group of people on Fob, which is the seller. They're basically selling their photos right on this app, and that's exactly how you can make money on this application. And don't worry, you don't have to take any of your own photos, you don't need any graphic skill, you don't have to be on camera, you don't need any technical skill. And in just a moment, I'll show you a few secret websites where you can literally find a lot of done for you and fully automated photos that you can re-upload and posting them on Fob. And by the end of watching this video, you could be making your first $100 up to $300 very fast. So right here, when you go on to the homepage of Fob.com, I want you to go and click on this button, and I want you to click on sell your content. And that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. Now you can download the Fob app on your iOS or Android devices. Now if you're an Android phone user, you can just go on to your Google Play Store and look for Fob. Make sure you download the right application with this logo. Or otherwise, if you're using an iPhone, you can just go on to your App Store and download Fob for free as well. So right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of devices are you using. Do you use an Android phone or using an iPhone? But anyways, this app is 100% free. So real quick, I just want to show you the entire library on the Fob website. You can see here there's so many high resolution and high quality photos that people are selling on this website, and they're making so many money. And the good thing I like about Fob is that they do give you passive income. Now once you upload the photos on this platform, even next week, next month, or even next year or 5 years down the road, you're still able to receive commission and money from this website, because the photos that you upload and posted on Fob, and every single month there are millions and millions of visitors gonna go on to Fob and browsing around and shopping to find different photos to purchase, and they're gonna be buying your photos. And once again, you don't have to create and take any of your own photos. I'll show you something special at the end of this video. Make sure you don't miss out on that. Now say for example, this is one of the photos that people are selling right on this website. Usually for every single photos, they're gonna charging for $10. And right here, that's another example of a photos, and once again, it's $10. And right now, you might be wondering how much money can you actually earn from this website. Now I want you to take a look at this. You can simply upload your videos and your photos and you can earn cash. Basically, they're going to share the profit with you. 50% goes to Fob and 50% go to your account. And the reason why they're taking away your 50% of the profit is because they are going to sell the photos for you automatically. And Fob is a very established website. They're working with a lot of big brands, and they're getting millions of visitors, and they're going to automatically help you to market and sell different photos that you upload on this website, so you don't have to do any of the manual work yourself. All you gotta do is just simply copy the photos and paste the photos into this platform, and you can receive passive income every single day. And let me show you something really interesting on this website. Now other than simply selling the photos, you can also join different missions. You can see here, for example, this mission right here, over $300 in cash reward. Right here you can see on this mission $800, right here $1,000. And every single week there's so many different missions that you can join where you can simply upload different photos based on the theme that they provided. For example, this one is about Christmas, and this one right here about holiday. When you submit different photos onto different different missions to stand a chance to win extra cash money on this website as well. Now once again, make sure you keep watching because at the end of this video, I'll show you a couple of websites where you can find done for you pictures, which is super high quality that you can copy and paste and earn money on Forbes. Now before I show you the secret website, I want to show you another app which you can download for free and earn cash. Now you can go on to Shutterstock.com. Basically on this website, once again, it's very similar compared to Forbes, and they do have a huge library of different high quality and high resolution photos that every single day people come on here to buy different pictures. Now once again, you could be the one to contribute and upload some photos on Shutterstock as well, and you can simply share your photos and start earning money every single day. Now the coolest thing about this strategy is that you can upload the exact same photo on Shutterstock and also upload on Forbes as well. The more websites that you sign up, the more money you are going to make, because there are certain people they're gonna go on to Forbes to buy your photos, and there are also a portion of people they're gonna go on to Shutterstock to make a purchase. So we can literally copy and paste different photos and build up different sources of passive income by using this exact strategy. So once again, all you gotta do is just click on this button to get started right now, and that's going to bring you to this page to sign up for a free account. All you gotta do is just put in your full name, your display name, your email address, and your password, and you can register for a free account. So right now, as I promised you, I'll show you a couple of websites where you can find and download 100% free high resolution images, as you can see here. Now before I show this website, make sure you go down below and smash on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So basically this website is burst.shopify.com. Now from there you can find different high quality and high resolution photos, you can see here, and they're gonna separate them into different categories. For example, work from home, fashion, women, fitness. There's so many different categories. You can see here they're super high quality. They are 100% free. You don't need any credit card, you don't need any investment. Now say for example, when I look into this category, which is water, and that's gonna bring me to this page, you can see here, and these are all the images where you can download with just one click on the button by using your phone or using a computer. As you can see here, there's just so many different pictures right there. Now you can choose from high resolution or low resolution, but I highly recommend you to download the high resolution in order to get paid on different websites. And as always, I will try my best to help you guys to make even more money online, so I decided to give you another alternative, which is PicWizard.com. And once again, on this website you can find different high quality and free stock photos, and they have over 1 million of different high quality photos and pictures and images which you can download for free on this website. So once again, as I promised you, you don't need any technical skill, you don't have to create or take any of your own photos. This is actually a much smarter way and a shortcut to do it. Now let's just say when I click on this image right here, and that's going to take me to this page. Now from there I can click on any one of these download button to download this on my phone or download this on my computer. So as you can see here, I've successfully downloaded this image onto my computer, and the next step is to upload this photo onto Shutterstock and also to Forbes.com, and I can start receiving different, and I'll see you on the next video.